a meeting on rejuvenation and restoration of major rivers of Shillong, namely Wahumkhrah, Umshyrpi and Wah Umkhen, was held in the city today, the 14th of April 2023, where the Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Conrad K Sangma, Deputy Chief Minister Sniawbhalang Dhar, Minister L Hek, Chief Secretary of the State P Wahlang, senior officers, members of various Dorbar Shnong, representatives from different civil bodies and environmental groups were present.
Between the different government agencies and departments, along with the headmen, along with the civil society groups, along with the NGOs who are concerned about the environment. The agenda basically was on the three rivers in the city, that is Wahumkhrah River, Umkhen River and Umshyrpi River. We had a very constructive meeting in which the Honorable Chief Minister, the Deputy Chief Minister in charge of Urban Affairs, and also Minister from was the MLA from Wahumkhrah, which is one of the main basin area of Wahumkhrah, were also present, and a number of decisions were taken. We highlighted that what is the present scenario of the rivers, the three of them, and also what the NGT orders pertaining to these rivers were, and what action has been taken. The gaps in the action that we have been taking also were discussed, and also what will be the role of all of us as stakeholders. The basic point and the basic focus was basically on collective responsibility and also working together with one objective, and that is to clean up Wahumkhrah, to clean up Umshyrpi and Umkhen, which will be the future source of water supply scheme in New Shillong. So we had a very good meeting. All of us were in one mind and unanimously agreed that we should work together with various agencies and the civil society groups and the headmen, and I'm sure that concrete results will be visible very soon. We've shown the drone images of Wahumkhrah right from the source up to Maulai area, and also Umshyrpi right from the source up to the Umshyrpi bridge. And over there we have seen concrete evidence of direct discharge into the rivers. The first meeting that we had internally was on the 6th of April, and that was the meeting in which we decided we have to consult all the other stakeholders and make it a bigger collective body. And since the last 1 week, we have imposed hefty penalty. In fact, anyone discharging directly into the rivers and anyone having faulty septic tanks and defective septic tanks, if they don't repair in 10 days time, fine will be imposed at the rate of 500 rupees per day. Not one time, 500 rupees per day till they seal the septic tank or they ensure that the discharge is not made directly into the water bodies. So a lot of decisions have been taken on the 6th April meeting and also in today's meeting, in which I highlighted to all the headmen, to all the environmental groups, what action has been taken. It is time we all wake up. This situation is alarming, and it is a collective effort only which will see us through. And Umkhen, we have problems right from the source, and we will be taking action. There's some mining activity also going around that area. So we have given about 45 days to take corrective action as far as Umkhen is concerned. As far as Wahumkhrah and Umshyrpi, it will be a long drawn process because the problem is very, very severe. In fact, all the localities have seen what is happening where, and we have given video shots, we have given pictorial representations of garbage being dumped into the river and sewage being dumped into directly discharged into the rivers. So it will be a little time consuming. We have not fixed any timeline, but we will be setting up a core group as suggested by Honorable CM to monitor whatever we have decided today, so that it's just not a talk shop but also action is taken on whatever we have discussed today.